Hey creators! Welcome to our How Filmora is Better Than CapCut series 3rd video. Filmora 14 brought some cool AI features for all the creative folks. Filmora 14 offers powerful AI tools and features, which makes it stand out from other video editors. Today, we will cover 2 essential features in Filmora that make it better than CapCut. Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. One of the main reasons why Filmora is better than CapCut is its filters library. Filmora offers more than 500 filters for mono, cinematic, portrait, retro, dreamy, scenery, lifestyle, creative, and so on. And it has filters for all types of videos, whether you're editing vlogs, travel videos, cooking videos, cinematic videos, etc. All the filters are well segregated into subfolders. On the other side, CapCut offers less than 50 filters. Not only that, Filmora offers filters for different cameras, such as Nikon, Canon, Sony, GoPro, and DJI. Check out these awesome before and after footages of different cameras. It's very easy to use these filters. Go to the Filters tab, and then go to the subfolder according to your footage, select the filter, drag and drop it onto your footage, and instantly it will transform your footage. Further, from settings, you can adjust the filter opacity and other settings. The next most important feature of Filmora, which makes it stand out from CapCut, is its music. Filmora offers 3 different ways to add music to your videos. First one is Filmora Music Library. Filmora Music Library offers a huge music collection, which is the best fit for all types of creators. The best part is all the music is royalty-free, so no problem using Filmora Music on any social media platform. Second is Filmora Music Generator. With this feature, you can generate music of your choice, select the theme, mood, and genres, then adjust the duration and adjust the number to get the music of your choice. Third one is Smart BGM. Stop wasting your time searching for a piece of music. This revolutionary tool analyzes your content and generates music according to the content with just a single click. The final reason to choose Filmora over CapCut is templates. Filmora offers a wide range of templates such as cinematic intro, business intro, logo intro, YouTube intro, end screen, news, and so on. It is super easy to use these templates. Go to the template section, select the template of your choice, paste it onto the timeline, click the item replace option, replace the current media with your image or video, and then alter the text and you're done. Your intro is ready. It's that easy to use these templates. Download or update your Filmora version from the link in the description and get your hands on these awesome features. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.